I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a breakable wax melt for summer. I choose to make two series, one floral with yellow marble, the other ones with lemongrass for mosquito repellent with green marble. I always respect the indication of my producer to know the different temperature for my wax, when to add colors and fragrance and when to pour. I recommend you do the same because different producers or different wax can have different temperature to work with. To change with the technique used last year, of the dye deposit directly in the mold, this time I want to deposit in my wax before pouring. I quite like the result, and you, what do you think? I liked you with the video. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.